What happens when you sell your RV in California, road trip across the United States to find out the RV you thought you were going to buy was not the best option for your family? Well, we decided to build a new RV, but in the meantime, we decided to pack a bag and head to Playa del Carmen, Mexico, while we wait for our new RV to be built. This is the Adventures 3. We're a family of 3 chasing adventure through world travel, but most recently RV life in the United States. This is Kate, Chase, and me, JC.
We're about to board the plane because again we're going from Atlanta to Cancun down to Playa del Carmen, where we're gonna live for an entire month. I'm kind of excited about it and kind of nervous.
Definitely a little bit of both. More excited than nervous, I think.
I guess what I'm like most nervous about is I'm gonna have a lot of free time to work on like the daily vlog, the Adventures 3, Action Takers podcast, working out, having adventures with Caitlin and Chase and teaching them how to skateboard. But I still feel like I'm going to have quite a bit of time, quite a bit of free time.
I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. I think it's going to be a good chance to just kind of hit the reset button and just kind of reevaluate everything and start from scratch on a few things, probably.
Cabin 3, main cabin 3, welcome to board, main cabin 3, welcome aboard.
Is that us?
Yes.
Anyways, we gotta get on a plane. I'm gonna take the next 2 hours and try and figure out what I'm gonna do for the next 28 days. Traveling the world. Understand this one key piece of advice for you that I have for you. We've shown up to the airport in foreign countries with no idea how we're gonna get to our hotel or our accommodation. And that's a mistake because you're immediately gonna get overwhelmed by just the culture, people trying to sell you stuff. You're gonna sign up for things that you don't want. The language barrier is there, and I understand Google Translate's there, and that's great. But just having your transportation set up from the airport to your destination is just one of those things. You can walk through those doors and you're fully prepared. You know who you're looking for. You don't have to hound, you don't have to negotiate. It's already set. You can start your vacation or your trip or wherever you're going out in the world on the right note. Because I once showed up on the wrong note and it was not a great experience. One, it cost me twice as much. But also, our vacation started, you know, our destination started about 3 hours longer than I actually wanted.
¿Con qué puedo reportar que se descolochó la máquina, el motor, la camioneta? Se le fue el clutch.
Our clutch broke. Now the cops are here.
All right, it's calling us.
There's a police officer pushing. See? The van.
He's pushing the car.
You want help? Yeah? Maybe pre-booking the taxi was not a great idea. See? Have a good night. Thank you. Good? Welcome to Mexico. Our new taxi's here. Our new taxi's made it. Yeah, Chase, come on. We are home for the next 28 days, which is a bit terrifying because I thought it was gonna be bigger. Yeah, anyways, welcome to the living room slash bedroom slash kitchen slash dining room. My favorite feature, the bathroom. Look at this, what else could you ask for? Oh, that's gonna be a problem. The water sprays. I think it's too aggressive. Good water pressure. Welcome to the shower. All right, Caitlin, overall reaction. I mean, it was a short tour, but overall reactions to this space.
I think it'll work, definitely. I think we've made a lot less work. Maybe for not as long, but I'm excited. I think location is gonna be really good.
Yeah, so we could have gone with something like way bigger, like 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom for the exact same price. The only problem that we ran into was we would have to rent a car. And I don't know about you, but maybe you all insert the Bali video where Caitlin almost crashed the scooter. We're not big fans of driving in other countries for whatever reason. It just is another stressor, headache. So we decided to be like really close to the action, specifically in Playa del Carmen, so like 5th Avenue, 10th Avenue, where all the stuff is happening. And this facility, this apartment or this flat, this is probably a studio, right? We might have to run to Walmart and get some lawn chairs. Yeah.
Beanbag.
Maybe some beanbags. I don't know. This is part of it, though. This is part of the world traveling. This is part of living in an RV. I mean, this is bigger than our RV. Caitl's making a bunch of noise. This is like bigger than our RV. And to be honest with you, like that was pretty comfortable. Is this, you know, looking at it, gonna be the most comfortable place? We'll make it comfortable, and that's the point. It's about living on less, and it's about having the experience and not being inside 100% of the time. We do need to kick on the air conditioner because I'm really hot. Maybe because I showed up to Mexico in a sweatshirt and pants. I am very thankful that I did not bring any more winter clothes. It's not perfect, but when life is. I sure as hell our taxi ride here wasn't. Good God, have you ever been pushed down the highway?
In Mexico?
I have. Have you assisted the other taxi driver to push you out of the road so you don't get hit by a tractor trailer? I have. It's great. It's gonna be wonderful.